In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Either way, to add any photo, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and tap on all of those you wish to attach. Now, if you can't find them here, you can always select this folder icon at the bottom right corner, look for your photo here, and click on it to attach it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!